Yes, I welcome you all for the data structure class. So today we'll continue the next part of the model 5. So as you've seen, there are two types of sorting: insertion sort and reduce sort. So next we'll see with the remaining thirds of a type of a sort, that is address calculation sort. So mainly here we are using a hash technique. Okay. So here we are finding the address, that is nothing but performing the sort operation is here. Based on the hashing concept, we are generating the address and we are storing the records, and based on that we are performing the sorting techniques. So this is about the address calculation sort. So next we'll see with the major part of this module 5, that is file and its organization. Okay, so before we move detail, first we'll see with the concept of data hierarchy. As you know, a file is nothing but what contains the data which is organized in a systematic manner. Okay, so in the data hierarchy, what it includes mainly, it includes the four things, that is field, record, files and database. Okay, we'll see in detail what do you mean by data field. Data field is nothing but what, the amount of data what you stored in a file, it is called as a data field. For example, student record, what you are having, student name is nothing but a field, that is the data field. Okay, next is the record. Record is nothing but what, collection of different fields. For example, student record, you are having a student first name, last name, address, phone number, roll number, like this is indicates what, your record. Next, file is nothing but what, it is a collection of records, multiple records in a file, we are calling it as what, file. A directory is nothing but what, it is a set of files. So this is about the data hierarchy, and here you are defined with the student hierarchy. So student directory mainly contains what, three types of files. One is student's personal file, academic file and fees file. So these are nothing but what, files in the directory. Next, if you want to go for the records, so you are having a individual file, roll number, name, address, these are called as individual data fields. So this is how a data hierarchy is arranged. Okay. Next comes the question, file attributes. Okay, so file is having a list of attributes. So what are the attributes your file will be having? First thing is what, a name of the file, it indicates string of a characters. Next, file position means from the which location the pointer needs to perform read and operation, that is the file position. File structure, it indicates whether the given file is text file or binary file. File access method, whether you can perform sequentially or randomly, so that is the access method. Next, attributes in a file, these indicates what your file will be performing the operation. So these are depends your attributes of a file. So see here you are having a different types: read only, hidden, system, directory, archive and all. So we'll see in detail. Read only file, if it is marked with a read only, then what happens, you can perform only read operation, no delete or modification. Hidden means it will be not displaying. System file is nothing but what, should not be altered from the disk. Volume label, it indicates the identification in the file. Next, directory listing is nothing but what, directory file. Archive means it is used for only communication, there is no modification. So this is about the different types of attributes in the flag. So next we'll see with the text and binary file. Okay, text file. A text file is also known as what, ASCII file. Here data is stored in the form of a text. Okay, here normal text what you are storing in the file, so that defines your text file. Next, whereas binary file is nothing but what, it is a file encoded in the binary form, means it is represented in the form of what, 0 or 1. So that indicates your binary file. Okay, so you are having a two types of file. So regarding the basic file operations, so I'll be sharing in the next video. Okay, thank you.